Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet my stitches with beads. This is my own design. I created it specially for you. This is unique stitch pattern. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. And let's get started. So let's get started crocheting. To begin the work, by making the foundation chain, make a chain of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. My foundation chain is ready. Pattern consists of 2 rows and pattern has 4 stitches. Let's crochet row 1. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the second chain, stitch away from the hook, make single crochet. And single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. It's gonna be row 1. In total it should be 24 stitches. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Once I have done a row of single crochet, let's crochet a row of stitches. It's gonna be a row of amazing stitches with seed beads. For the next row, make chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. For the beginning, make yarn over the hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. I did such kind of stitches but without seed beads. And today you will see how to crochet them with seed beads. Please join me and let's crochet with seed beads. For this, draw seed beads, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the next pair and pull up a loop. Here what I have. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through 3 loops. So that's it, my first stitch is ready. I remind you, it based on treble crochet stitches. It based on double treble crochet stitch. This is my own stitch pattern. Continue, chain of 2, yarn over the hook 3 times for double treble crochet stitch. I skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the third stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then draw seed beads. I need 4 stitch 3 seed beads. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. 1. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second stitch is ready. Here what I have. Then chain of 2 and double treble crochet stitch through the third stitch, and so on. Chain of 2, double treble crochet stitch, yarn over the hook 3 times, skip 2 stitches and make the tail stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it with me. Once I have done the last tail stitch, in total it should be 6 of them in row. Let's complete this row with me. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the stitch. This is the single crochet and make double treble crochet stitch. I left the chain stitch. My row is ready. Let's stop at this point. Pattern consists of 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 2 stitches for a more beautiful look, and plus 2 stitches for comfortable work. Let's crochet the next row. It's gonna be a row of single crochet, make a chain, turn the work. I'm not include this chain into the main pattern. Insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch and make the second one through the next stitch. Then 2 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2. Then 2 single crochet into the tail stitch. 1 and 2. And 2 single crochet into the chain space. Continue 2 single crochet into the stitch. 1 and 2, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. This is the back side of the pattern, and let's complete it. Let's complete my row. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch from the bottom or 1st chain stitch from the top. Make single crochet. Please don't forget about it. Let's crochet the next row. It's gonna be a row of tail stitches. Make a chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of first double treble crochet stitch, turn the work, yarn over the hook 3 times to work with double treble. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, make double treble crochet stitch. Draw 3 seed beads. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop 1, 2, and 3. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, pull through 3 loops, 2, pull through 3 loops, 3, and pull through 3 loops, 4. Chain of 2, and let's stop and look what I have done. This is the first stitch in this row. In total it should be 6 of them. Let's crochet the next one. Then you should work with your own. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the third stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. 1. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop into the next pair and pull up a loop one more time into the next pair. Yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3 and pull through. Chain of 2. So here how my delicate pattern looks like. Pattern consists of 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pattern has 2 rows, 1, 2. So keep working in this way as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my delicate pattern is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. I remind you, pattern consists of 2 rows and has 4 stitches. For this kind I used seed beads. Also you can find the same stitch pattern but without seed beads in another video tutorial. The link could be found in the description. For this pattern you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. I remind you, for this pattern you don't need special skills, you just need to know how to crochet double treble crochet stitch. If you don't know how to crochet it, please visit my tutorials for beginners. The link could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time. Please visit my YouTube channel and subscribe on it. Bye! Thank you so much. Good luck in crocheting!